This model kit review is of one of the very simple models. This is the Ferrari FXX version, and it's got 35 parts. This is the racing Ferrari. It's got an all-metal body. It's a very simple kit. Everything's pre-painted, and it's kind of hard to find a regular Ferrari plastic model kit. For the FXX, there's the parts, and let's have a look inside and see what we have. So first of all, here we have our body. It's a very nice solid metal body. It's pre-painted. It's got the front grills already on there. You can see the fans there for the radiators, and a windshield wiper. The doors do not open, but looks like this thing is going to. So this is the engine here, fuel tanks on both sides. And this does open here, so you can see the engine. We have two choices of wheels, chrome or grey. Not a fan of that chrome, so probably do grey. Here we have our cockpit. You can see them, it's supposed to look like carbon fiber. And here's our chassis. Really ordinary, boring looking chassis. Comes with a screwdriver, and then all these additional parts here. We have some tape to get rid of. So here we have, looks like this is the front axle with the wheels, disc brakes already on there, and I guess this is made so that it can steer. Here's our rear axle, larger wheels. This looks like this is probably the inside of a door. We have two of those. Here's the inside of the wheel well, two of those. Here's our dashboard with air conditioning, instrument panel, some additional switches, also with molded to look like carbon fiber. Here we have the grille, probably for the rear. We have our 4 tires, 2 small ones for the front, 2 large ones for the back. We do have a sticker here for our instrument panel. We have a steering wheel with steering column. We have our side mirrors that jut out. We've got 2 of those. We've also got some what's supposed to be mirrors. We'll just glue those on or stick them on. Here's our steering wheel. It's not really a wheel. And then some additional little parts here and there. And then 2 screws. 2 screws will attach the chassis to the body, and then these must be exhausts. Let's have a look at our instructions here. We start off with the body parts. We build the cockpit. Axles are put onto the chassis, and it's all then mounted and then screwed in. A very simple fit. and easy to build.